Okay, he just got a new one first chicken right now. He's right there, very, very, very far away. He's one body right there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he have another chicken. So he got another chicken, guys. He got another chicken. He got another chicken. Looking good. Oh my gosh, you have a chicken. Great job, Mommy.
Huh?
Great job.
Okay. Baby, you want to come here?
What?
You don't want to record it?
I already did. Another chicken, Gucci? How did he give it to you? By getting through that hole?
Yeah.
Hey, he getting a lot of chicken. They're crying, Mommy. Mommy, they're crying. They're crying.
We have 7.
7?